Hi, and welcome to German Skool.
I'm Anna,
And I'm Mark.
and we're here to help you learn German.
We'll make learning German fun.
Let's get started.
Willkommen zurück zu German Skool.
where I continue to survive German one phrase at a time.
You're still here.
Barely.
Before we jump into today's lesson, let's do a quick recap. Last episode, we learned how to introduce yourself in German.
Oh, good. A test.
Not a test, just a reminder.
That sounds like a test.
Mark, how do you say I am Mark in German?
Ich bin Mark.
Perfect. And I'm from England.
Ich komme aus England.
Excellent. See, you remember.
I'm honestly surprised.
And how do you ask someone where they're from?
Woher kommst du?
Perfect. You learned real German last episode.
I did, didn't I?
You did. And today we're building on that.
Oh no. What are we doing today?
Today we're ordering coffee in German
At a real cafe?
at a real German cafe.
I'm going to mess this up.
Probably, but that's why we practice.
Can't I just point at the menu?
You could, but you won't learn anything.
Pointing has gotten me pretty far in life.
Not in Germany.
Fair point.
So today, we're listening to someone order coffee at a cafe in Berlin. Then we'll break it down and you'll try it yourself.
I feel like this is going to be humiliating.
It's going to be educational.
Same thing.
Before we start, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. New episodes every week.
Subscribe if you enjoy watching me suffer in German.
He's getting better, I promise.
The bar is very low.
All right, let's listen. This is someone ordering coffee at a busy Berlin cafe. Ready?
No.
Perfect. Here we go.
It's 10 a.m. on a Tuesday, a modern cafe in Prenzlauer Berg, Berlin. The cafe is busy with laptops and the sound of the espresso machine. Lisa, a young professional, walks up to the counter. Max, the barista, greets her with a friendly smile.
Guten Morgen. Was kann ich für Sie tun?
Guten Morgen. Ich hätte gerne einen Cappuccino, bitte.
Gerne. Groß oder klein?
Groß, bitte. Mit Hafermilch, wenn das geht.
Kein Problem. Hafermilch haben wir. Möchten Sie auch etwas zu essen?
Ja. Haben Sie Croissants?
Ja, natürlich. Buttercroissant oder Schokocroissant?
Buttercroissants, bitte.
Perfekt. Zum Mitnehmen oder zum Hierbleiben?
Zum Hierbleiben, bitte.
Sehr gut. Das macht dann 5,50 Euro.
Hier, bitte. Kann ich mit Karte zahlen?
Ja, natürlich. Kontaktlos oder mit PIN?
Kontaktlos.
Perfekt. Ihr Cappuccino kommt gleich. Einen Moment bitte.
Vielen Dank.
Bitteschön. Schönen Tag noch.
Danke. Ihnen auch.
So, what happened?
Someone ordered coffee?
Yes, good start.
I heard cappuccino,
Also correct.
and I think something about milk.
Very good. Hafermilch, oat milk.
I understood oat milk?
You're getting better at this.
Don't get my hopes up.
What else did you catch?
Croissant?
Yes, that one's easy.
Finally, a word I know.
Did you understand how much it cost?
No.
5,50 €. €5.50.
Oh, numbers. My weakness.
We'll get to that.
Did it sound friendly?
It did. Very polite, very normal cafe interaction.
It didn't sound aggressive?
Not at all.
I'm learning to tell the difference.
Progress. Let's break it down. Let's start with what the barista said first.
Okay.
Guten Morgen. Was kann ich für Sie tun?
Guten Morgen, I remember from last episode.
Perfect. And was kann ich für Sie tun?
No idea.
It means, what can I do for you? Very polite.
So, like, how can I help you?
Exactly. You'll hear this all the time in shops and cafes.
Was kann ich für Sie tun?
Close. Was kann ich für Sie tun?
That's hard to say.
It is, but you can also just say, kann ich Ihnen helfen? Can I help you?
That's easier.
Both work. Now, Lisa responds, ich hätte gerne einen Cappuccino bitte.
Ich hätte gerne.
Ich hätte gerne. I would like. This is super polite. Ich hätte gerne einen Cappuccino bitte.
So she's saying, I would like a cappuccino, please.
Perfect. This is your go-to phrase for ordering anything.
Ich hätte gerne.
Good. Ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee. I would like a coffee.
Ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee.
Excellent. You just ordered coffee in German.
That was surprisingly easy.
See, you can do this. Now, the barista asks, groß oder klein?
Groß oder klein?
Big or small? Size options.
Oh, that's easy.
Groß, large, klein, small.
Groß, klein. Got it.
Lisa says, groß bitte, mit Hafermilch, wenn das geht.
Groß bitte. Large, please.
Perfect. And mit Hafermilch?
With oat milk.
Exactly. Mit, with, Hafermilch, oat milk.
What if I want regular milk?
Mit Milch, or just normal.
And if I want no milk? Black coffee?
Ohne Milch, without milk, or just say schwarz, black.
Schwarz. I can remember that.
And she adds, wenn das geht, if that's possible.
So she's being polite, checking if they have it.
Exactly. Very German to be polite like that.
I'm learning politeness.
Character growth. Now, the barista asked, möchten Sie auch etwas zu essen?
Möchten Sie auch?
Möchten Sie, would you like? Möchten Sie auch etwas zu essen? Would you also like something to eat?
That's a long sentence.
Break it down. Möchten Sie, would you like? Auch, also, etwas zu essen, something to eat.
Okay, I see it.
Lisa says, haben Sie Croissants?
Haben Sie, do you have croissants?
Perfect. Haben Sie, do you have? Super useful question.
Haben Sie pizza?
Yes! Haben Sie Pizza? You can ask for anything.
This is actually helpful.
That's the goal. And the barista says, Buttercroissant oder Schokocroissant.
Butter or chocolate?
Exactly. Oder, or, giving options.
I'm following.
Lisa chooses Buttercroissant bitte.
Simple. I like it.
Now, important question. Zum Mitnehmen oder zum Hierbleiben?
That sounds complicated.
Zum Mitnehmen, to take away. Zum Hierbleiben, to stay here.
Oh, for here or to go?
Exactly.
How do I say for here?
Zum Hierbleiben, or just here.
And to go?
Zum Mitnehmen, or just mitnehmen.
Mitnehmen. That's fun to say.
It is. Lisa says, zum Hierbleiben bitte.
Staying in the cafe.
Correct. Then comes the price. Das macht dann 5,50 €.
That makes €5.50.
Perfect. Das macht, that makes, then the price.
Numbers are hard.
They are, but 5, 5, 50, 50.
5,50. Okay.
Lisa asks, kann ich mit Karte zahlen?
Can I pay with card?
Exactly. Kann I, mit Karte zahlen, pay with card.
What if I want to pay cash?
Mit Bargeld, or bar, cash.
Bar. Easy.
The barista asks, kontaktlos oder mit PIN?
Kontaktlos or with PIN.
Perfect. You understood that.
Some words are similar.
That helps. Finally, polite endings. Lisa says, vielen Dank.
Thank you very much.
Exactly. Vielen Dank. Many thanks. Very polite.
Better than just danke?
Both are fine. Vielen Dank is just extra polite.
I like being extra polite.
The barista says, bitte schön. Schönen Tag noch.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Perfect. Bitte schön. You're welcome. Schönen Tag noch. Have a nice day.
And Lisa says,
Danke, Ihnen auch.
thanks, you too.
Yes, super useful phrase.
I'm collecting phrases.
That's exactly what you should do. All right, your turn.
Oh no,
You're ordering coffee. I'm the barista.
this is gonna go badly.
Try. Guten Morgen. Was kann ich für Sie tun?
Ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee.
Perfect. Groß oder klein?
Groß, bitte.
Excellent. Mit Milch?
Ja, mit Milch.
Great. Zum Mitnehmen oder zum Hierbleiben?
Zum Hierbleiben.
Close. Zum Hierbleiben.
Zum Hierbleiben.
Perfect. Das macht 3 Euro.
Vielen Dank.
Bitteschön.
Okay, I did it.
You did. You just ordered coffee in German.
That was less terrifying than expected.
See? You can survive a German cafe.
I survived one practice conversation.
Progress. All right, let's listen to the whole thing again, this time with subtitles.
Please.
Ready?
Ready.
Guten Morgen. Was kann ich für Sie tun?
Guten Morgen. Ich hätte gerne einen Cappuccino, bitte.
Gerne. Groß oder klein?
Groß, bitte. Mit Hafermilch, wenn das geht.
Kein Problem. Hafermilch haben wir. Möchten Sie auch etwas zu essen?
Ja. Haben Sie Croissants?
Ja, natürlich. Buttercroissant oder Schokocroissant?
Buttercroissants, bitte.
Perfekt. Zum Mitnehmen oder zum Hierbleiben?
Zum Hierbleiben, bitte.
Sehr gut. Das macht dann 5,50 Euro.
Hier, bitte. Kann ich mit Karte zahlen?
Ja, natürlich. Kontaktlos oder mit PIN?
Kontaktlos.
Perfekt. Ihr Cappuccino kommt gleich. Einen Moment bitte.
Vielen Dank.
Bitteschön. Schönen Tag noch.
Danke. Ihnen auch.
Okay, that makes way more sense now.
Right? The first time I caught maybe 3 words.
And now?
I understand the whole conversation.
That's how it works. Listen, learn, listen again.
I actually feel capable
You should. You can order coffee now.
in a very basic way.
That's all you need. So today, we learned how to order coffee in German.
Ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee.
Perfect. And how to say big or small.
Groß oder klein.
With milk or without.
Mit Milch oder ohne Milch.
For here or to go.
Zum Hierbleiben oder zum Mitnehmen.
Excellent. And how to pay.
Kann ich mit Karte zahlen?
Perfect. You can survive a German cafe now.
I can order coffee without pointing.
Huge progress.
I'm genuinely proud of myself.
You should be. All right, question for everyone watching.
What's your coffee order?
In German, try it in the comments.
Ich hätte gerne...
Einen Cappuccino or einen Latte or whatever you like.
Let's see who's brave.
Next episode, we're doing something fun.
Define fun.
We're learning German small talk.
Small talk in German?
Yes, how to talk about the weather, your day, basic chit-chat.
Germans do small talk?
They do, just differently.
This should be interesting.
Subscribe so you don't miss it.
Subscribe if you want to watch me attempt German small talk.
It's going to be good.
It's going to be a disaster.
Probably both.
German Skool, everyone.
Learning German?
One awkward conversation at a time.
See you next week.
Bring coffee.